December, the holidays are around the corner, and you already know it. I have Nürburgring license merged for you with additional 10% off if you use code Misha Xmas25 on checkout on nürburgring.com. From holiday sweaters with Nürburgring design in merino wool in different colors, Nürburgring books that I have helped to co-write, socks, and also, as of recent, we have calendars for 2026. The first couple of hundred of them come signed by me, and some of them contain also very interesting and exclusive giveaway items, such a taxi lab with, not with this car, but another one that we will be unveiling soon for next year, and maybe the Civic, maybe the Mustang, who knows, and a couple of other things. Anyway, head over to nürburgring.com and now enjoy the rest of the video. Hello, hello.
Hi.
We haven't seen you for a few years. I mean, you've been around, but on the channel not. You may remember this man that goes by the name on Instagram of Django Beep Beep. He had GT2 RS, or has still, MR, for sale if you want one. The E46 OG E92 M3 by Team Schirmer. And one of the most latest creations, I think it was built last year, this car, right? Or was it?
The end of the build, yeah.
Yes, the end of the build was last year, but it took quite some time, and all good things take some time. And what kind of a good things we're talking about? We have here BMW E46 M3. Now, of course, we have a dime a dozen E46 M3s around the Nürburgring, but it's always nice when it's built by Team Schirmer. Traditionally wise, BBS E88s with AP Racing, very special, lightweight, custom-made Nitron R3 suspension, or revalved and made specifically by and for Team Schirmer. And big diet, very, very big diet. Carbon fiber. And over there, that's something that makes the car really stand out. Trent gearbox, is it DG 500 or? 400. 400. Yeah. 400 power. Can we have a look at under the bonnet?
Sure.
Yeah, because the S54 engine is always a pretty sight to look on, especially if it probably has some carbon thingies on it, over it, on top of it. Ah, yeah, look at that. What a work. He calls it dirty. Well, it's cleaner than my desk or living room. Schmilke performance, so I guess it's pushing over 400 horsepower.
Yeah, should be.
Yeah,
should be, but you can maybe see in the video as soon as you have weight, you weight
yes.
in, you feel it.
You
not
feel it
because it's not 6, 7.
And you get very over conscious, thinking that you might.
You feel it, but the car goes well.
Yeah. No, amazing. And also look at this work of art over roll cage, going all the way to the front strut towers. It's amazing. We've done 2 laps. Oh, it has also a front splitter. We have, it's on Direzza's, I guess, tires. Yeah, Dunlop Direzza, very sticky. We've done 2 laps, and it was very hot in there because we have all the fuel system, all the oil circulation system. It's all inside the car. It smells nice. It makes you very nice and warm and cozy.
Can show you in the trunk?
Oh yeah, let's do that. So we have a custom swan neck rear wing that seems to be going through the trunk. So this should be promising. Can we just open it? Oh, look at that.
All the pumps.
Nice. Very good. That's for the diff cooling, I guess?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Battery and all the pumps. Smells nice in here. And also, again, look at the cage that goes all the way to the struts. Ah, refueling over here. Convenient. ATL fuel cell. Very good, very nice. Awesome. Oh yeah, and super sprint exhaust. Well, thank you so much. It was amazing. I'm happy we could do it. Yeah, one of the most extreme E46 builds around the ring. Probably the most extreme. So yeah, you guys enjoy the lap, and we go for some other laps.